Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into something that's super close to my heart and my wallet. I'm going to share with you how I turned my passion for gaming into a steady stream of income. That's right, you can actually earn money by playing games, and I'm going to tell you exactly how. Now, let's talk about the gaming landscape. Did you know that the gaming industry is worth over $200 billion? Yep, it's a thriving ecosystem that's just waiting for you to dive in. If you love gaming as much as I do, then it's time to think about turning that passion into profit. But how? Well, there are several ways, and I'm going to break them all down for you. First up, we have live streaming. Platforms like Twitch or YouTube Gaming allow you to broadcast your gameplay in real time. This is where your charisma shines. By building a community, you can earn money through subscriptions, ad revenue, and donations from viewers who want to support you. I remember my first donation. It was ecstatic. But it's not all rainbows and sunshine. Building a following takes time and consistency. But trust me, when you hit that tipping point, it's totally worth it. Next, let's chat about competitive gaming. If you've got some serious skills, you might want to consider entering tournaments. Games like League of Legends or Fortnite have massive prize pools. Believe it or not, some players are making six figures just by winning competitions. I've tried my hand at a few local tournaments, and while I didn't win big, the experience was priceless. Remember, even if you don't come in first, the connections you make can lead to sponsorship and other opportunities. Then there's game testing and reviewing. Developers are always on the lookout for engaged gamers to test their new titles. You get paid to play before the rest of the world does. Plus, you can start a YouTube or blog channel sharing your reviews and gameplay. Not only does it keep your audience informed, but it also opens avenues for partnerships with game companies. Talk about a win-win. And don't forget about content creation. Whether you're making funny skits, walkthroughs, or tutorials, there's always a need for good gaming content. Monetizing through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even merchandise is totally achievable. I had no clue where to start, but dedicating time to hone my craft has paid off immensely. So there you have it. Whether you want to stream, compete, test games, or create content, there are so many ways to earn while doing what you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to earn money while gaming? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.